and I am reusing, and so I am refilling my old potion bottles from the previous years that I have lost somewhere in the moving, and bringing them back to life. So yes, the corkscrew was a little stuck, so I did kind of have to just like jam it right out and get it to where I at least have some kind of opening to refill these potion bottles. And yes, these are Harry Potter themed potions, but I know they're not as to the exact. The only one that I can say was exact is obviously Dragon's Blood. It's just blood. And so, yes. Yes. I know it is not correct, but I still wanted to make mini potions. I did not have the right ingredients for the potions, but next time, hopefully, I will get it right and I will be able to make them more of a normal size potion bottles instead of mini size potion bottles for everyone. Here I am filling up Skele-Gro, as you know from the Harry Potter scene where Potter breaks his arm as he is playing, and one of the professors casts a spell on his arm to try to fix it, and instead it turned into a noodle, and so they ended up giving him Skele-Gro once he was in the nurse's room. My bad. Healing before my little warlock gets into the potions, and my little warlock is of course Demetrius. So the first one and then I am cutting out their labels and updating them to new labels because I did have to remove the labels they did have prior. Blue Powder, Mermaid's Tears, Liquid Luck, Professor Snape's, Dragon's Blood, and Skele-Gro. All down the line. And now I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And happy Halloween, spooky season.